Hey, welcome to Business Uncomplicated. Today we continue our series on AI, and today we want to talk about some of the challenges that you may experience with AI. So, as you venture into the AI world, there's a couple of things we think you should keep in mind. The first thing is data. We talk a lot on this channel about data and the importance of data and how data can help run your company. Well, that's true for AI, whether it's data or content. The AI is ingesting that information, helping you make better data-driven decisions. Just as always, bad data, bad content, bad output. So make sure that the sources you're using are clean and that they are well vetted by your team. Make sure there's some sort of data governance in place that will help longer term to ensure that you continue to keep that data clean. The second thing is cost and complexity. So, listen, the AI is changing all the time. We've talked twice about the DeepSeek that just got released on Monday and caused the tech world to go upside down. As you're thinking about moving into AI, think about what you need. And as we talked about yesterday, think big, but start small and attach an ROI. The better ROI you have to the project, then the better you'll know that the solution you picked and the outcomes you're driving for will be a win. And listen, we can't predict what's going to happen next week, next year. The complexity is always going to change, but make the best decisions based on business and ROI. The next thing would be lack of expertise. So there's a lot of AI tools out there, and there's people getting skilled up every day, and we encourage everybody to educate themselves. But eventually, you may need people on your team that have that AI experience, and finding those people may be more challenging and it may cost your company more money. So start thinking about what key roles you may need today in order to support your future growth. Additionally, using partners like SaaSBA or other partners can help in that interim, one, get you up to speed, get the knowledge you need and the transition you need to hit the ground running and meet your goals. The next thing we want to talk about is integration and legacy systems. So at some point, you may have to integrate these systems. For smaller businesses, that may not be a bigger challenge. We have a one in AI solution that we use with customers that is pretty extendable and can integrate with a lot of systems. But larger companies may not have that luxury. There may be older systems that you need to use middleware to talk to. So think about the architecture, not only short term, but long term, because there may be things on your roadmap that you aim to replace. And this may be the time to do it. Finally is ethics and compliance. So the last thing I'd talk about is the fact that AI is changing. We want to consider data privacy. We want to consider regulatory issues. There's a lot of discussion around AI and how data is used, and is it really private? You want to do your due diligence there and make sure, once again, there's a governance model that protects you and your company and allows you to grow. So those are some of the challenges we want to talk about. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about some business use cases that may be helpful to start thinking about how you'd implement AI. But we appreciate you tuning in and continue to tune in for more information on this channel. Thanks.